To be or not to be? Good evening, everybody. In this occasion, I am going to talk about how to get money from the ATM. If you need to withdraw money from the ATM, you need to get a debit card or credit card. And after that, you need to follow some instructions in the ATM in order to get money. Such as, you need to be alert in the ATM and look around from other people in order to avoid being seen the password. After this, you need to insert the card into the machine. After this, you need to select the language. But if your card is registered in other language, after this, you need to select the transaction. After this, you need to select the amount to withdraw. And after this, you need to take the cash. After this, to choose whether to do an extra transaction, you need to put yes or no. After this, you need to get the receipt from the ATM. That's all in order to get money from the ATM. Furthermore, the people need to be careful, or the people must control your money from the bank card. In other hands, the people need to be careful again in order to avoid losing the money. Furthermore, it's very important to analyze the situation because the majority of the people manage to bring the cards into the wallets. The people need to be careful in order to avoid to disappear the card from the robbers. Nowadays, the technology is very nice because the majority of the people have the card. It's very easy to get money from any ATM in any place. Right now, it's very nice to get money, very easy. Okay, thank you so much for your attention.